car is assembled, since I have this assembled car and working like this, मैम तो automatically since we have given it command to boot, तो वो auto run कर लेगा. Okay, one thing to check over there is कि whenever this green light will appear ना, it means that your operating system is not working fine. अगर specifically आगे ना, you can see these two lights ना. If only red light is appearing, it means the operating system is faulty. ठीक है? Yes.
Red and green both are.
Red and green both should be appearing. But the first thing you have to do is you have to remove the USB cables and HDMI cable from it. Yes, you have to disconnect it. Done? Okay. Now open the mobile phone.
Download the app.
The app is already downloaded, so since we have to put the code in it.
And after that, sir?
Okay. You have to wait till a blue light appears over here. No? Fine. It means that system is ready to accept the commands. It slightly takes some seconds to appear.
ब्लू लाइट एंटर होगी तो इसका मतलब है कि इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट हो गया.
Okay जी.
So make sure the
Wow. Who's controlling this? This alarm? Sachi?
press right and left, right, back.
अगर राइट लेफ्ट उल्टा हो रहा है तो फिर क्या
You
करना
have to change the polarity of the motor.
Finally जी, finally.
Fine. But three
Bumble
common
patch
errors.
working. Wow.
This blue light indicates the internet is connected and your device is successfully paired with internet.
With the help of any Android mobile, we can control this car.
Exactly. But
Say-
make sure the code is matched or the device code is matched with the operating system.
हाँ जी.
टेक्स्ट की जो एपीके फाइल है वहीं से इसको डाउनलोड
Yes.
करना है. ठीक है, डोंट गो फॉर प्ले